I am filming one of my most popular videos here on YouTube, and that is a bag, like what's in my bag review unboxing video. These videos always do really well on my channel, so every time I get a new handbag I try and film one, because I guess people like seeing them. This is an older bag style, so it is still available on websites such as Vestiaire Collective, I think it's called, and what's the Outnet, I think it's called as well, those sorts of sites. So I will leave some links down below if I can find them, but I'm just going to get straight into the unboxing. Before I do that, I just wanted to say, if you're new here, I would love if you could hit that subscribe button. I post videos every Wednesday at 8 PM, and I am going to start vlogging as well, so if that's your jam, you like a bit of vlogging, like a bit of sit down chatty videos, then I'm your girl. Go watch some more if you're not convinced yet. I'd love if you could hit that subscribe button and smash a like on the video if you enjoy it while you're watching. As you can tell from the title, I am going to be doing a what's in my bag for the beautiful Loewe Joyce bag, and the reason have turned this into a what's in my bag and not just a like unboxing review type video is because when I got this bag I was really unsure if it was going to fit kind of like my everyday everything into it, and it has fitted everything in, and so I kind of wanted to show you how much it would fit. I'll give you a little overview of the bag. It is Loewe Joyce bag. This is the mini, I don't know if it's called mini or just smaller version, the crossbody one. So yeah, it's the smaller version with the crossbody strap. This also comes in a, oh my god, building work outside is so loud. What are they even doing? I'm really hoping you can't hear that, but I'm sure you can. So we just ignore the background noise, ATM. But they yeah, it also comes in the bigger size with a like a shoulder strap which has got like chains on it. So it comes, yeah, in two sizes. They both got this Loewe gold hardware on it, and so that bit's gold, and then the hardwares on the sides are, it just wants to focus on my face. The hardware on the sides are silver and the buckle is gold. So yeah, so this opens with just this little button here. It's fully open, no zip on the inside, but it is, yeah, that button like clasps it shut, and it's one of those little magnetic buttons. And then I'll show you what's inside. So inside of this I've managed to fit my iPhone, which is one of the plus ones, 7 Plus I think. So it's like a big iPhone I've managed to fit in there. So that, yeah, that fits perfectly in. I then also got a full-sized purse. This is the Gucci, I don't remember what this one's called, it's the last winter's collection butterfly one. Fits that purse in it as well, and that's probably the two biggest things I carry around. I think there would also be space for this camera in there as well. I've got the Canon G7x, so it's like quite a compact camera, but there would be space for that in here as well. And then I've got the standard, oh, everything's dropping, headphones, pair of sunglasses, I don't remember what these ones are called there. Celine ones, pair of sunglasses, quite a big pair of sunglasses, but I don't have a case for these, so they are just floating in there, but it would fit a pair of sunglasses with a soft case. I don't know if you'd fit a hard case in with all this stuff. I then got keys and Oyster card wallet as well. So if like I could just take, if I didn't want to fill this bag and wanted to take like a hard cased sunglasses and my camera, I could just use that as my wallet instead, so that will probably fit in. I've got 2 pairs of keys in here right now as well, and that's everything I've got in this bag at the moment. Inside the bag it is just one big pocket, and then it's got one like smaller, I don't know how the hell I'm gonna show you this. Yeah, it's got one like smaller pocket as well. So it's, yeah, the big pouch bit, and then one little pocket without a zip again. But yeah, like I said earlier, I'm gonna leave some links down below to places that you can still get this bag if you're interested, and that's why you're watching the video. I love it. Like, I absolutely adore this handbag. I have been waiting to film this video properly for a while, so I've been using it and loving it. And I if you know me, you know I love a small crossbody bag. That's basically all I use. So I'm not the kind of person that carries a lot of stuff around with them. So that's probably why this bag works for me. If you're someone that carries a lot of stuff around with you, you're probably more likely going to want to go for the biggest size. But for me, this works perfectly. And yeah, guys, if you want any more information on it, just drop a comment down below and I'll reply, obviously. And like I said at the beginning of the video, if you could hit that subscribe button, it means the absolute world to me. And if there's anything else you want to see from me, then let me know. And I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.